Hey there guys, Jose here with Aurum Roofing at aurumroofing.com, the gold standard in roofing. Today we have prepared a short but sweet video for you. We are talking about roof eaves, what they are, how they look, and how they are supposed to be installed once your roof and gutter system is all said and done. Pretty much what a roof eave is the overhang, the very edge of your roof where the water is actually falling off the roof. That is what a roof eave is. If you have not yet, I'd like you to consider subscribing to our channel for all your roofing how-tos and roofing information, as we provide valuable roofing insights on a weekly basis. This is the image that we went ahead and prepared for you to give you a better understanding of how the final product is supposed to be installed and look like when it's all said and done. As you can see, we color matched your parts. The pink is a fascia board, blue is your plywood decking, the yellow is the metal drip edge, the purple is your gutters, which goes underneath the metal edge. Over the metal edge, you have the red, which is your felt or underlayment. Over the felt, you have your final roofing material of choice, whether you choose asphalt shingles, tile, metal roofing, clay roofing. It pretty much is all the same concept here. As long as it is installed in this order, you should be worry-free of any roof problems, roof leaks, or water damage to your fascia board. In the description below, I will also link an image for this so you can keep yourself as a reference on your next do-it-yourself project. That is all we have for you guys. Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you on the next one.